I was nominated by Corey Kaczynski for the Ice Bucket Challenge for ALS. I accept his challenge. I nominated Amy Hashem, Papa, Grammy, Daddy, and Uncle Pat. You have 24 hours to accept you. Oh, what the heck? I just read it. Then I read the same thing again.
All right, just continue. Accept the challenge, right?
Accept or donate $100 to the ALS
Foundation.
Foundation. That was weird. Oh my god. Bucket, stand up. Bucket, stand up.
All right, Bear, just do it before your ice.
Okay, bucket.
Well,
There you go.
your water's cold, so your ice won't melt.